What if another Earth like planet suddenly appeared in our solar system today? Let's assume it's the size and mass of Earth. It orbits the Sun within habitable zone, say between Earth and Mars. It has water, an atmosphere, life, and even intelligent life. Let's start with immediate astronomical consequences. Orbital disturbance. The gravitational balance of the solar system would shift drastically. Earth's orbit might slightly change. Mars and Venus would also feel perturbation. Long term, more asteroid collisions or orbital chaos in inner planets over thousands of years. The reason being planets maintain balance through the gravitational interaction. Inserting another Earth sized body disturbed the equilibrium. For example, Jupiter's body already affects asteroid belt. Now imagine another Earth pulling on us. Even minor orbital shift changes season, climate cycles, and satellite trajectories. The shift in gravity is the core reason behind all of cascading effect. From orbital misalignment to change in solar radiation exposure, triggering climate impact, biological shift, and even future human migration plans. Climate effects, even a 1% shift in Earth's distance from the Sun could affect global temperature. Small changes, huge consequences in long terms. More storms, droughts, or ocean current shifting. Moving on, night sky changes a new star. This is the new Earth, would be visible through naked eye. Amateur astronomers, space agencies, and media would go into overdrive. What if it has intelligent life? Let's take scenario 1. The planet is uninhabited. Race to colonize it, in which SpaceX, China, NASA, India all would compete. A space gold rush begin, water, rare mineral, and entire biology. This would drive international cooperation or maybe even conflicts. Not only this, space tech would advance rapidly, like reusable rockets, AI rovers, and orbital habitats. Now, in scenario 2, let's assume it has intelligent life. The first ethical dilemma in human history would be, should we contact them, interfere, or observe them silently? And protocols from SETI and UN Office for Outer Space Affairs could kick in. It could also lead to philosophical revolution, religion, and existentialism, technological leap if their tech is more advanced, a pandemic risk like alien microbes could wipe out Earth or vice versa. In such scenario, by year of 2060, technology may accelerate. And if we started interacting with or exploring this twin Earth, major science breakthroughs would be reverse engineering alien tech, which could be like room temperature superconductors, anti-gravity drives, or energy store tech 1,000 times better than today's batteries. Examples, studying their tech might lead us to replicate advanced propulsion system or sustainable AI-based environments. In discovering new elements, if their planet evolved with different stellar radiation or crust formation, unknown stable elements could exist. These new elements might be used in medicine, energy, or supermaterials. While studying alien DNA, if similar enough, it could unlock cures for aging, cancer, or boost human power through biohacking. We may learn how to extend life or gain new biological capabilities through comparative genomics. Through fusion power and quantum communication, energy demand would skyrocket for space travel. Actually, fusion power mimics how the sun generates energy by fusing light atoms like hydrogen into helium, releasing immense energy. Once harnessed, it would offer nearly limitless clean energy with minimal radioactive waste. It becomes essential for long duration space mission and planetary colonies. And for quantum communication, quantum encryption uses quantum entanglement or photon states to send messages that can't be intercepted without detection, which is ideal for secure communication across the planet since classical encryption might be cracked by advanced civilizations or quantum computers. This becomes a new cybersecurity standard for interplanetary diplomacy. What will be the global political and social effects? In new geological era, countries may fight over the part of new Earth. A new UN-type space government might form to avoid wars. Shift in global powers. Those who lead the space tech would dominate. And the economic explosion. There would be new industries of space mining, planetary farming, interplanetary shipping, and trillions of dollars in new market for space tourism and migration. There would be human identity crisis. Religions might evolve or split, as some might see alien as a life proof of creator's vast plan, other might feel it disprove of the earth-centric theology. The idea of humanity not being alone could cause deep philosophical shift. New philosophies and even planet-based identities may form as people might associate more with their planet than their nationality, leading to the new social dynamics like Earthers versus Terrans. Cultures, languages, and beliefs may evolve separately depending on which planet they belong to. Questions like are we still Earthlings or solar beings may arise. With two Earths, human identity may expand from being tied to one planet to viewing ourselves as a spacefaring species. This expands the definition of humanity itself, creating multiplanetary diversity in thought and lifestyle. If we make a prediction of 200 years from now, humanity will likely have permanent cities on both the Earths. Space elevators or advanced propulsion like nuclear or ion drives will be the travel routine. A fully unified solar civilization may emerge. Languages, cultures, and economy would blend across the world. AI plus biology plus space is equals to a new species of post-Earth human. If we made a piece from other Earth, joint governance structure may form. Science would be 100 to 500 years more advanced, and a shared space colony would exist. And if not, then the Cold War in space, arm race in orbit, and heavy surveillance between planets. So, the final summary is if a second Earth appeared today, humanity would face a gravitational and climatical consequences, enter the most intense era of space tech and diplomacy, either thrive together as interplanetary species or fracture under the greed, fear, and power. The discovery of another Earth wouldn't just a change of space, it would redefine what it means to be a human.